Hello everyone, welcome to Marina Reke. Here we are with new video. Let's go. You can see this is the container port, very large port in Singapore. Both side of the port, there are the containers. Ship more than 300 meter or more than 250 meter are being berthed there, and my ship is around 200 meter. So less than 200 meter ships are berthed here for cargo operation. This is the berth of car carrier. You can see that a very huge ship NYK line is being moved over there and doing discharging of the car carriers and loading of the car carriers and trucks too. This is the barge to carry the containers from one place to another, and small containers are being shifted here from the barge. This is the very nice place. You can see the logo of my company, Mux. You can see right ahead there are the terminals for the oil tanker or product tankers. Motor vessel tankers are being moved over there and being berthed. And you can see this place. This is the dry dock, or you can say the shipbuilding areas. Here the ships are being builded. You can see this is the new ship they are construction work is going on. This very beautiful place, Singapore. So number of yachts and tugboats are being moved over there, and that is the second berth of the container ship. The small ships over there are being moved. Actually, this is the monkey island of my ship. These are the two scanners for the radar, X-band and S-band. I will give a short and a brief video next time for X-band and S-band radar. This is the funnel. This is my ship and a company logo, Mux line. This is a mini V satellite for track phones. We used to get internet on ship due to this antenna satellite. A very beautiful view from port side of the ship. Right now, due to COVID restrictions, we are not allowed to go outside. Even we are not allowed to go to the berth due to high restrictions of MPA, Singapore Marine Port Authority of the Singapore. So duty officer do watch from the bridge, and he check all the cargo operation is carried out successfully by safely. He is a third officer right now. Hello, third. He is my third officer. So right now he is doing his paperwork. Too much busy from last night. This is all the fire controls panel over here. If there will be any alarm of fire, so first detection will become over here, so we can see which place is the fire. All the publications are being stored up to date. This comes under second officer. This is the chart work area. Right now all the system is being digitalized, so No more paper chart. This is the LD lamp. For Morse code signal. We have two VHFs. VHF1, AIS, gyro repeater, center repeater. This is the eco sounder. I will give a brief short video on eco sounder and AIS2, VHF number 2. This is the GMDSS console. GMDSS, all the radio messages are being coming over here on GMDSS, weather or weather forecast or anything, if someone is missing or any typhoon or cyclone is coming, so we will get a message over here. This is the starboard side wings. Right now I cannot move over this side due to the restrictions of COVID. Only to sea side we can go. Only one person is allowed to go on seaside for checking mooring ropes and other activities performed. Other activities are being performed over here. Hope you have liked this video. Please share it, forward it, like it and subscribe it. Bye bye.